Welcome again to Vikram's Kitchen. Today I am making Gatari special chicken lababdar. So take 500 grams of chicken and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. Friends, this is a very yummy dish, very yummy recipe. So I want you to watch the whole video till end. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Marinate well and keep it aside for some time, maybe 15 to 20 minutes or more than that. In the meantime, we will prepare other things. Now in a mixer grinder, add 6 to 7 cut tomatoes. Now add around 12 to 15 of almonds. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This will give a very good color to the tomato puree. Just blend it to make a very smooth puree. Once tomato puree is ready, keep it aside. Now take a pan and heat some oil. Add the marinated chicken and saute. We need to cook the marinated chicken in this oil, or just cook it for some time, maybe around 8 to 10 minutes by turning around. You can just cover and keep on turning in between. Once chicken is cooked, turn off the flame and remove chicken, keep it aside. Now heat some oil in the same pan and let's prepare the curry. For that, add 1 cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise seed, 2 to 3 green cardamom and 2 to 3 cloves. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start to crackle, we will add chopped garlic. Keep sauteing till the garlic are cooked. Now add chopped onions and cook for some time till the onions are golden brown in color. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. The spices you can adjust as per your taste. Add some water so that the spices don't burn. Once the water is reduced or evaporated, we will add the tomato puree. Now the onions look good and the water is reduced. Let's add the tomato puree. Add some water. Now cover and cook this for 5 minutes. Since the tomato puree needs to be cooked. We have blended raw tomatoes. You can add 1 teaspoon of sugar because the sourness of tomato puree, the sugar can remove the sourness of tomato puree. Add salt to taste and mix well. Keep cooking for next 2 to 3 minutes and then add the marinated cooked chicken. After adding chicken, just mix well and cover the chicken pieces with the gravy. Cover and cook for next 4 to 5 minutes till the rawness of the tomato puree is gone. Once done, finish off with chopped coriander and mix well. The chopped coriander leaves will give very good taste to this gravy. So our chicken lababdar is ready. We will serve it in a bowl. Garnish it with some chopped coriander or a sprig and some slices of almond. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share the recipe with your friends. Enjoy. Thank you and see you again.